This is my honest review of Tsungup Black Gray Keycaps full set. If you're looking to customize your mechanical keyboard, this set offers a great combination of style and functionality. Firstly, let's talk about the design. The black and gray color scheme is sleek and modern, making it a versatile choice that complements a wide range of keyboard styles and setups. Whether you're going for a minimalist look or something more professional, these keycaps will fit right in. The keycaps are made from PPT material, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear. This means that even with heavy use, the legends on the keycaps are less likely to fade over time. The cherry profile of the keycaps provides a comfortable typing experience with a sculpted shape that fits the natural curve of the fingers. And yeah, one of the standard features of this set is its compatibility. With 134 keys included, it supports a variety of keyboard layouts, including 60, 65, 70%, and 100% mechanical keyboards. This flexibility makes it a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard, regardless of the size or layout. Installation is straightforward, and the keycaps fit securely on Cherry MX switches and compatible clones, such as Gateron. This ensures a stable typing experience without any wobbling or loose keys. In conclusion, the Tsungup Black Gray Keycaps full set is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their mechanical keyboard. With its durable construction, comfortable profile, and versatile compatibility, it offers great value for both casual users and keyboard enthusiasts. I highly recommend it for its quality and design.